I mean, yes, that was a good try. Yes, it sure was. Yes.
What am I doing? Is this what it takes to fly? This isn't the real me. Am I supposed to be different just because I'm wearing a dumb cape? Or this stupid mask? Or this ridiculous belt?
Careful.
Was that dynamite?
I thought it would help.
What did I expect? I'm taking advice from elves who make what the heck is this? No one could possibly like this. Have you ever seen any other toy that is like this? It's stupid. How am I supposed to play with it? Is it an action figure, a board game, a puzzle?
It's a remote-controlled nose.
A remote-controlled nose? A remote-controlled nose? That has to be one of the coolest toys I've ever seen in my life! You know, Skeezer, that toy is actually fun. Different, but fun. Especially considering that it doesn't explode.
Yeah. Well, too bad you ain't the head toy maker.
You mean that middle-aged has-been? Forget that guy. You gotta be a kid to understand toys like these. Heck, I'm all over toys like these. And video games. I love video games. And comic books. And popcorn for breakfast. And pancakes for dinner. I just realized. I love being a kid. And I'm not ashamed anymore. Do you hear that? I love walking backwards. I love to lick the sugar off my cereal. And I am proud to make funny noises with my armpits. You see, I love being a kid. Dasher has great hair, Comet's got his fast feet, but me, I'm a big, goofy kid at heart. Tease all you want, but I like me. Yahoo! I'm flying! Yahoo!
Hey, Donner's back! And to celebrate, here's an old holiday favorite. All I want for Christmas is a stocking full of joy.
Would you look at that? I think I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, you can use my pinky.
Thanks, Cub.
Backdraft. How's my hair? Hey, you can't treat me this way. Do you know who my daddy is?
You are certainly one of a kind, Donner. Let's go. We got a job to do.